Going to be installing the V8 engine back into the Yamaha FCR, or what we're calling the V8 JetSki, so we can get this thing back out on the water. got the V8 jet ski ready to go back out on the water, and if you're excited to see that, drop a like on this video right now. I have done some modifications to the ski itself. First of all, we got the gearbox taken care of and it's all solid now. Also, I have gone into the tuning software and disabled the knock sensors, have modified throttle slightly to give us more throttle. Can't quite get it to wide open throttle with the lever. Gonna have to probably build a custom lever to make that happen, but it is a lot closer than it was before. Today is Father's Day in the United States here. So I just wanted to say happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, and a special happy Father's Day to my dad. Love you and hope you're having a great Father's Day. Do you want to say anything to Grandpa, mister? And that's it for this one. See ya!